Hey guys, it's Suraj here. I'm so excited because today I have iPhone 13 with me in Starlight white color. Let me unbox this. Before that, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell to receive notifications, like this video and leave a comment below if there is anything that you would like to ask. Alright, let's start. It's an usual Apple box. Notice no plastic wrap on the box as Apple's goal to have packaging completely plastic free by 2025. These days all Pro models comes in black color box while normal 13 comes in white box. New way to open the box. It comes with pull tags both at top and bottom of the box. Let me open it. Wow, there comes the iPhone 13. It's super glossy, it's so cool. Let me keep the phone aside. This is a Type-C to lightning charging cable. This is a SIM ejector tool, paperwork and one Apple sticker. Yeah, that's it in the box. Let me peel off the paper. It is so satisfying. iPhone 13 comes with 6.1-inch OLED display. Design looks almost similar to iPhone 12. No major changes. Edges of the phone is made of aerospace grade aluminium, which makes the phone pretty strong. Notch size is reduced in iPhone 13 and comes with ceramic shield protection. Bezel looks even more thinner. Onto the right, there is a power on-off button. At the bottom, there is a charging port and speaker grill. And onto the left, there is a SIM tray and volume rocker button. And you can see there is a change in orientation of the camera sensors. Phone looks pretty nifty to hold and weighs 173 grams. Let me turn on the phone. Here comes the welcome screen. iPhone 13 comes with primary 12-megapixel wide and ultra-wide camera sensors and secondary 12-megapixel camera sensor. This time Apple has upgraded the camera sensor hugely with sensor shift optical stabilization and better night mode, which gives you the crisp and brighter images. This is the video shot on iPhone 13 in HDR mode. And here are the few picture samples took on wide angle and ultra wide angle camera sensors. I purchased this iPhone 13 for Rs 79,900 in Apple Imagine online store, and upon that you can avail discounts on credit cards too. iPhone 13 comes with 5 color options such as pink, blue, midnight, starlight and product red. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like this video.